Hi Solomon.
Hi, Mommy.
What review are we gonna do today?
Master video.
Yay! It's a Zoomer Marshall.
No, not
Video.
Zuma Master.
Zoomer Marshall from Paw Patrol. It's for ages 3+. You have 80+ interactive missions and tricks.
Now,
Yes,
Mommy,
he
show
can
to
talk
me
on his
now,
own.
Mommy.
And he has some water can shooters. Right, Solomon?
Yeah, it's beside him.
Yeah.
Beside his leg.
Beside his leg.
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
the
You can
video.
use words like I bark, wiggle, dance, and more. Yes.
The knock.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
The knock.
What's that, Solomon? Is it a pup pack?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we have water cannons on top of it. The best part is he can talk in English and in French. Yeah. And this is, to activate different modes. He has mission mode, he has pup mode.
He don't have his paws.
He doesn't have paws, he has wheels. He can move on his own. He's like all ready to go.
He tickled it.
He's tickling him.
He looks like blue.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's an accident.
Yeah, there's an accident and there's fire. Let's go, go, go.
There's an accident. That means my rat cannon. Hey, where's my rat cannon? Oh, it's still laughing.
Shoot the water can. Whoa. Good, good, good. So we have two buttons here, which if you press, they shoot the water cans. Just shoot up. Right, Solomon?
Yeah, Bobby shoot one more cannon.
Yay, more water cannons. There's still fire going on. Let's shoot.
Now how are we going to do like?
Yeah, let's do like that. Woo. More water cannon. Yes, yes, yes. Wow.
Now let's do it one more time.
Yeah, sure. Let's put it off.
We get to do like team.
You're a great team. Yay.
Yeah!
Woo. This is fun.
Whoa.
Does he fly also?
He crashed.
He crashed down. Oh no, he's tired. He needs some puff snack.
Let's get some gummies.
Let's get him. Nom, 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 nom.
It's not walking.
Oh no.
It's running away.
Is the gummy running away?
Yeah, it's a walking gummy.
Oh, it's a walking gummy?
It's going in my mouth.
Yeah, kala.
I'm eating it up. I'm not muscle her.
Oh, sure.
Subscribe.
See you guys with Solomon in the
Big
next
boy.
video. Big boy Solomon.